Hey champ, my name is Steve. And I am an AI talking avatar. Isn't that strange that I can talk? Of course not, especially in this our age of AI, almost anything is possible with images. So I want to show you how to create me in 4 simple steps with 4 different AI tools, which are ChatGPT, Leonardo Ai, Canva, and App 123 to remove any watermark from my face. You can use me on your faceless YouTube channel to start printing some cash. I know you are already interested in creating me, right? Okay, let's dive in. Oh, wait, I noticed you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe to this channel, your subscription means a lot to us. Okay, thanks for subscribing.
Alright guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be generating our own AI talking avatar for our faceless YouTube channel. Alright, so we'll be doing this in 4 simple steps with 4 different AI tools. Number 1, we are going to go over to ChatGPT to generate our prompt, and then we go over to Leonardo AI to generate our image for our avatar, and then we go over to Canva to create a lip sync for our image, right? And then we go over to this app 123app.com to remove watermark from our generation. Okay, so let's head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt right here. All right, so I already pasted this prompt. So this prompt will serve as a basis to guide us on the prompt we want to, on the image rather, that we want to generate. So you can go over it, you can pause this video and go over it. All right, so I already pasted this particular prompt. So you can see the response of ChatGPT. Say, yes, I'm ready. Please provide me with keyword, and I will generate 3 different types of prompts with detailed description following the given structure. So we now want to describe how we want our AI avatar to look like. You can see before I created this video, I've already gone through some series of testing. So this is the prompt that I brainstormed to generate for my avatar. So I copied it and then I paste it here and click on enter. Okay, so what ChatGPT will do is to give me 3 different prompts for my avatar. All right, so you can just pick one. I will head over to Leonardo AI to generate. So let me just pick this one. Okay, let me just pick this first one. Okay, it's still generating. Let me go over with this first one. Okay, copy. Don't worry, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description box below. So I've already copied this one. Let's head over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, it's very easy to create. Just create an account. So image generation, and now here, so this side here, you can click here and choose your preferred type of image you want to generate. So but I prefer you go through select anime, so that there won't be any resemblance of this your avatar to any real life person. Alright, so select anime and then we generate. So let's cancel this. So let's paste our prompt that ChatGPT created for us here. So I pasted it and then you generate. So you need to keep in mind that this generation might not be consistent, right? So it might not actually give you the desired results you wanted. So if it doesn't, I will go over to pick one of my generation. Okay, so as you can see now, our image has been generated. So if you don't like any of this, you might as well just keep on generating until you get the one that you can actually use. I'm not really sure I like any of this, so let me use this one that I initially generated today. So I want to use this one. All right, so I can just download it. So you can just click here to download, but I want to make this image to move, right? Not to talk yet, but to move. So like just to animate it a little bit. So just click on this generate motion, and then you can leave it at 4, and then just click on, you can see this one will give you, we take 25 credits from your 150 credits that Leonardo AI gives to you every single day. All right, let me click on generate. Okay, so you can close this one. Okay, so our motion image is being generated already. Okay, so I initially generated this one already, so that I won't waste our time. Let me just go with this one. It will be something like this, something exactly like this. So let me click on download. So our avatar is downloaded already. So next step is to go over to Canva. So when you get to Canva, just click on videos. When you click on videos, you will see list of videos here. So click on YouTube video. Okay, we are now here. So what we want to do here is to generate lip sync for our talking avatar. So click on apps. When you click on apps here, so you go over to this search bar and type Lalamo, L-A-L-A-M-U, yes, Lalamo Studio. So this app will enable us to generate a lip sync for our motion avatar. Okay, so this is Lalamo Studio. Just click. All right, we are here now. So you can see bunch of templates, but since we already have our avatar, so just click on upload video, choose file. Okay, this is our download already. So let's click on this. Okay, you can see our avatar here. So let's give it the text that is going to speak. So you can just say, I want to say this is Brain Studio. Please subscribe for more tips to grow on YouTube. Full stop. So you can make your text longer. You can see you can add up to 1,500 words, so you have enough. All right, so then you select your voice. Okay guys, as you can see, our talking avatar is ready. You can see the lip sync. So let's see it very well. Click on the image and so let's drag to the top edge, right and left corner, and drag a little bit, okay, to fill the screen. Okay, so just play it a little bit. You can see the movement of the mouth and the motion graphics, all perfect. All right, so click on share. Because what we want to do first is to remove this this watermark here, because we want to post it on your YouTube channel, right? So click on share, click on download. Okay, click on download. All right, our talking avatar is downloaded. So all we need to do now is to head over to this app 123app.com. So I'm going to leave the link to this app in the description below. So when you get to this app, what you want to do is to come over here, remove logo from video. So click and then click on open file. So this will take you to your file manager on your PC. Okay, this is our PC, so you click on the video and click on open. Wow, as you can see, this is the interface of this app. So just click on this button here and hold your mouse, drag and just move it over the watermark and release your mouse, and that is all. Just click on apply and click on save, export. So our video is already exported, so click on save, and that is all, guys. So you can now use this talking avatar for your faceless YouTube channel. Please, if you follow me to this very end, I would like you to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss amazing tutorial like this. All right, thank you for watching.